Oh hey, I'm Lance. This is another episode of This Old Bug. Won't you stay a while? You may notice I have very expertly removed the glass from the car, including the windows, which means I've taken the doors apart. That is a very fun project to do. Definitely a one-man job you can do in like 10 minutes or so. Obvious. Here, the previous owner was nice enough to Bondo these vents closed, so I had to use a hammer and chisel to knock all that Bondo out. We'll have to clean this up a little bit later. Great craftsmanship from the previous owner. Did a great job, really. I just got to clean it up. Nice globs coming out of the back here that had to be cleaned up. Superb. You may notice, those of you that are very observant, that I was actually standing in the car, not sitting in it, because we built this body rack right here to hold the thing up while the chassis is disconnected. Chassis over here. I have removed the one and only safety feature on this car other than the seatbelts, which is the 4.5 inches of crumple zone on the front that you get. Really superb safety standards in 1973. Removed a couple rusty spots. Little rusty boys here on the floor pan. Big rusty boy here on this floor pan. This all came out. That's where the battery goes. That's really common. Not a big deal. We just gotta fix that. Fantastic. As you can see, rear suspension still intact. I have taken apart these brakes and the shifter rod that goes to the back. All of it's out. Chassis pretty much stripped down as much as it's gonna go. I just gotta say, this car has turned out to be a real gem. Hasn't disappointed me in any way. Everything on it was in pristine condition, as you can very clearly see. All right, see you next week.